everybody, welcome to our channel. Watch me at my Ghost and Goblins Gymnastics meet. This is me on the beam. This was my first level 5 beam routine and I was feeling kind of nervous and excited. I was so scared I was not going to make my back walk over, but I was so happy when I made it. Next up, I have my floor routine.
Come on, Kalina!
You guys, I was so happy when I stuck my aerial. I think I did very good on my front pass and I hit my handstand on my back extension wall. I was so proud of myself because I stuck my back tuck.
Nice job, honey. Good job.
Next up, I have vaults. Now I have bars. I fell on my flyaway because I overshot it with too much power. Now this is our fun team dance. I medaled on floor. I medaled on beam. I medaled on vault. And I medaled on all around. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.